Hey everybody, it's me, Calvin Benson, and I have nothing more to say. I'm just gonna play some more Subway Surfers. I do not want to give away my when I was actually born, so I'll just say 1900, January 1900. I accept. Now let's freaking play. Jump. This game started out as a mobile game and is mostly known for being a mobile game, but little know that it is very famous for it being a... Oh, we unlocked the hoverboard. The hoverboard's kind of useless in my opinion. It doesn't really add anything to the gameplay itself. It just has a different look, which shouldn't be something that you can unlock in a game, like just something that makes you look different and not play different, since a game is not a looking time. It's a game. Something that you play, not something you look at. Got the T. Trick is always trying to stay on a train. Oh, that was close. Got hit by one. Oh, no, it would have been useful to have a magnet there. Oh, darn. Pretty gruesome. He's still smiling as he dies. Ooh, yes. Bouncy boots. Okay, lost the boots. Got an A. Duck. Uh-oh. Dang it, the cop got me. Acted too slow. Didn't act fast enough. Yes. Dang. Yes. I'm doing it. Okay. You know, I've heard about that new game called Among Us. It doesn't really seem like a good game. I mean, it just boasts out in popularity, and I am saying with 100% certainty that it is a fad. Fall Guys could be pretty good. It is really good. Among Us just sprung out of nowhere, and I don't think it can last a long time. I mean, now the biggest games in the world now are, Minecraft, in Fall Guys. I mean, I had no idea that Among Us existed until like a few days ago. So it's just sprung out up out of nowhere, and Fall Guys literally just got popular, and now is Fall Guys already um is Fall Guys already not trending? Now everybody's trying to do an Among Us thing. It's just it, people should be happy they have games like Fall Guys and Minecraft. Among Us, it doesn't really do anything new in the gaming industry. Fall Guys, they have a good premise, and it has the ability to last long. Fall Guys. Minecraft, I don't even need to say anything. You know how long it can last. It's been around for like over 9 years. So, I mean, Among Us will not be around in like a year. Fall Guys might be, but it might be hard for Fall Guys to last that long, but Minecraft will always live on. But it's just become way too like other games. Oh, yes, I took the cop with me. Well, there's lots of games now that just aren't really that good. Like, well, there's so many. Oh, yes. I mean, oh no. Oh. This is the farthest I've ever gotten in this game. Oh, darn, not enough. This is my new high score. I think that's a nice way to end the video. A new high score in the game. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Oh yeah,